In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. Whether you're organizing a recurring event or replicating a successful project template, duplicating a project in Asana can save you time and effort, allowing you to stay focused on the things that truly matter. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your browser and head over to the Asana website. Once you're on the homepage, enter your email address in the provided field. This ensures that you're logging into the correct account with access to the projects you want to duplicate. After entering your email, simply click on the Continue button. This will guide you to the next step in the login process, where you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password and then click on the Login button to access your Asana homepage. Now that you've successfully logged in, your Asana homepage will display all your recent projects. Here, you need to navigate to the project you wish to duplicate. Click on the project, which opens its detailed view. At the top of the project page, you'll notice an Actions drop-down menu. Clicking on this menu reveals a list of options you can perform within the project. Look for the duplicate option and select it. When you select duplicate, a new window will appear allowing you to customize your duplicate project. Start by giving your duplicate project a unique name. This is essential for distinguishing your duplicated project from the original one. Next, you'll want to configure your new project with any specific details you require. This includes selecting the project details, which could involve adjusting deadlines, changing team members, or updating objectives. After setting the project details, you'll need to choose which project tabs to include in your duplicate. Project tabs might include sections like Overview, Timeline, or any other custom tabs you've previously set up. Carefully select the tabs that are relevant to your objectives for the duplicate. Following this, you'll specify which task details need to be carried over. Task details can encompass task descriptions, assignees, due dates, and even attached files. Ensure you include only what's necessary to avoid clutter or confusion in your new project. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, go ahead and click on the Duplicate Project button. This final action will create a complete duplicate of your selected project, inclusive of all the specified details. And that's it! You've successfully duplicated a project in Asana, ready for your next venture. Keep in mind, duplicating projects not only helps maintain consistency, but also streamlines your workflow, allowing for more productive management of tasks and responsibilities. Thank you for watching. Be sure to revisit this guide whenever you need to replicate a project, and don't forget to subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.